Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will be learning that how we can create a repository on our GitHub account. So let's do that. So you have to come here at the github.com first. If you have not signed up here, you have no account on GitHub, please sign up. You can do that through your Google account or any other, or using email as well. So after doing that, this will be the interface which will be shown to you. So just click here, repository, new repository. Okay, so it is loading right now. Also, you can go to the repositories by clicking here at your profile icon and then into the repository. Let me show you that as well. When you will click here, here is the option of repositories. You can go from here as well and create a new one. So here is the web page where we have to create a new repository. I will name as GitHub test repository. You can name it anything which you want, but I will name it this for now. And in the description, I will write a test repository for YouTube video. Also, you can choose the visibility from here. It can be either public or it can be private as well. So you can set it to private. For the projects you want to make them private, you can make them private, otherwise you can keep them public as well. Now you have the option to add a readme file as well. It is currently turned off, but I will turn on so that it will give us a readme file as well. So now I will create a repository here. It is creating the repository. We have to wait a bit only, and our repository is ready, I guess. Yes, so this is our repository which is successfully created. It is public. It has a readme file which we can obviously edit. Also, it has one branch which is the main branch. You can add any other branch which you want. You can add any file which you want here. You can clone the repository to your VS Code as well. You can do many things here. It has only one commit yet, which is for the readme file, and you can add other as well. So this was all for creating the repository. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. See you next time.